The amount of exhibitors, the amount of customers we've met, the conference, everything was really well organized, and we're happy that we participated actually in this year.
With Ingredients Africa عرفنا على a new platform and a new channel for us to promote our brands and our products سواء في ال local market هنا أو في ال export market.
We see a lot of support from the government, from our distributors and agents here, as well as our customers. The world is starting to come to the places where good ideas are coming from, and Egypt is definitely a host of that.
It's a region that we can develop significantly in the coming years. So to have an event like this where these different countries come together and put forward where they're having issues, where folk like ourselves, the WPO, can help.
Africa is in different positions of making this. Some are advanced, some are just beginning. So a session like this puts us together in formulating what is good for all of us.
واحدة من أمتع السيشنز اللي أنا رحتها في السنة الأخيرة دي، أسئلة من ناس متخصصة في عالم الكوربريت، ففاهم إيه الصعوبات والتشالنجز اللي بتقابلنا كسيدات وكصناعة.
ربحنا بست باكجينج أورد فئة الفود أند أجريكلتشر، الجائزة البرونزية بهيك نوع من المعارض. الاكسشينج دايما بيكون بنفيشل، وتعرفنا على كتير ناس جداد.
باجي المعرض كل سنة بشوف ايه الجديد عندي بالنسبة للمكن التعبئة والتغليف.
قدرت الاقي اللي انا عايزه هنا بالظبط، اللي هم الماشين سبلايرز.
الدخول والتسجيل كان كتير بسيط وسهل.
The arrangement is easier for you to have engagement, the B2B meetings.